Hey, I'm back. All right. These two theorems, not that bad. All right. So in this case, you got two secants intersecting at that point P outside of a circle. And on this one, you have a secant and a tangent. All right. So first, the two secants. If two secants intersect outside of a circle, all right, then there's that word again. Product of the measures. So you're going to multiply two things of one secant segment and its external segment. So the entire secant segment and its external part. So the product of these two pieces is equal to the product of the measures of, same language, the other secant segment and its external secant. So, its external segment. So BP and the external part. So you're going to look at CP times AP is equal to BP times EP. All right? Or whole times out equals whole times out. All right? Whole times out equals whole times out. All right? So that's how it works. Now, do keep something in mind. You got the out, you got the whole. I guess you can say CA is the in, but the in doesn't really have anything to do with this except if you're going to use it to figure out the out or the whole. So like for instance, if I told you the outside piece here was 4 and the inside piece was 5, well really I'm telling you the whole because I like to think we can add 4 plus 5, right? Or maybe I do in the reverse. I tell you the whole piece is 9 and I tell you the inside piece is 5, then you'd subtract to find the outside piece. But the internal pieces really don't play a major role unless it's to figure out the whole or the out. All right, so that's that one. The bottom one, if a tangent and a secant are drawn to a circle from an external point, in other words, explain the picture, then the square, multiply something by itself, the square of the measure of the tangent segment, so the square of BP, is equal to the product of the measures of the secant segment and its external segment of the secant segment and its external. All right, so the same thing as before. So the whole CP times the out, AP. All right. Now we'll write this more generically as tangent squared equals whole times out. Now if we were in class, I would say, well, I'm going to argue that both of them are whole times out equals whole times out. Whole times out equals whole times out. And you'd give me the weird look, because that's what you do. All right. And then we'd eventually get to the point, well, the whole and the out, the tangent is the whole and it is the out. So it's really whole times out equals whole times out for both. But whatever, it's just another way to say it. So tangent squared equals whole times out equals whole times out for two secants. All right, I'm going to give you an example of each, and then we'll wrap it up. I don't know why I said it like that. Okay, bye. Okay, bye.